Good morning on Monday, the 3rd of March. Bitcoin update. Some interesting things happening this morning. We just filled the CME gap for Bitcoin. I was expecting a bit lower today, but the way we went up here gives me some reasons to think that the bottom might be in, or the correction might be finished here. We'll come back to that later. Other interesting thing here is what I showed you last week. The gap on the dollar also got filled, and seeing a nice reaction to the downside. Last week I also said once this gap is filled, I will be eyeing a dollar to see what direction it is starting to move. And for now, I'm quite positive about this move down. Well, there is another gap here, a smaller one. But this could be the start of a bigger move down again for the dollar. When I go to Bitcoin, this is interesting. We break market structure, and so we did have lower highs, and now we are printing a higher low. So that would tell me if we do see a corrective pullback here into the discount zone, I would be looking for longs. Although we did hit my red box, and let me go to my elliott wave chart. I did say last week that this is a possible scenario where we have finished leg number 3, but I have my doubts if it is really finished here. But it could be also that leg 3 is, I did see some charts where leg 3 is finished here, but I do think we go a bit deeper into that box to finish that cycle, and that it's not completed yet. Just like I mentioned many times, just like this pattern, that we can continue going for new highs. I do think that is also the case here, and that we are basically this move is only doing like here 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then leg 3 completed. That is what I'm looking for now. Most likely because of what I do think. If you look at the difference here, I think this cycle, in such a short time, it's such a big difference to this cycle. I think this cycle is not completed yet, and that we should see more upside in the coming days. And it also fits in the pattern I showed you the past weeks, that I do think we are doing something like this, a copy of what we saw here. So let's see. What I said, if we do get a bit of a corrective pullback in the coming hours, 24 hours, then I'm definitely looking for more upside. Altcoins did very nice patterns. They swept the lows overnight. I was expecting the same for Bitcoin. Very quickly show you where I was wrong today. I was looking for in my morning updates for the group, I was looking for a move lower. Didn't happen. Ether did make a cleaner sweep of the lows, and we are heading higher. So it also looks like it's more a time for altcoins to shine a bit more. And that being said, let's see tomorrow if this made some sense. Have a nice day.